tape stuck to his sock. I am Steven. This is Retarded Films. We're gonna do the Magic Man. Shrey's filming right now. Okay, this is a 2-pounder weight. In a second, it will be a 10-pounder. And I am the Magic Man. Now, do you want to see some more tricks? I'm going to make a human appear right about. Alright, you're right here and you're alive. Okay, I made him appear. What are you doing? Okay, goodbye. And now, I am going to
go home.
I'm going to turn this CD player into another one. Abracadabra. Yeah, I am the Magic Man. And now I'm going to disappear.